Hi friends, Island Homesteader here. You looking for a fuel for your bee smoker that's cheap, burns a long time, burns cool, and smells good? If so, keep watching. So what is this new fuel, you ask? Well, let me show you what my new favorite fuel is for my bee smoker. And it's this. Denim. Blue Jeans. This stuff is my new favorite fuel for my bee smoker. I used to like pine straw, and I still do because it's easy to get, it's free. It lasts pretty good, but man, the problem is it burns kind of hot, and when you get done working your bees for a couple hours, you smell like a forest fire for the next 3 days. It takes forever to get off of you. It just really stinks. But blue jeans, or denim anyway, it burns cool, it smokes real well, and it just smolders so it doesn't burn up. And that helps with keeping it cool and lasting a long time. And it's so cheap and easy to get. I buy mine at the thrift store, usually for a couple of bucks. You can go in, and what I look for is men's jeans, because you want them to be 100% cotton. You don't want any spandex or anything else mixed in them. So I always go to the men's section, and I usually look for the biggest pair I can get. I think this last pair I bought were 48s or 50s or something. So buy the biggest pair you can find. They'll only be a couple of bucks, and you'll get a lot of life out of a pair of blue jeans. This is about the biggest piece of jean. That's my hand, so you can see this is about the biggest piece I use. And all I do is in my smoker, I take a full sheet of newspaper and crumple it up and stuff it down in there, and that's just to get the jeans going or the denim going. Um, and the other advantage to that is when you stuff it down in there, the newspaper lasts a long time too. I'll get 2 or 3 uses out of one balled up piece of newspaper. So I ball up the newspaper, get it down in there, and this is, to me, the easiest way to light a bee smoker that I've found too. This works a whole lot better than a barbecue lighter or anything else. So all I do, put the newspaper down in there, get the newspaper smoldering, and sometimes you have to do it a couple of times because that newspaper doesn't want to burn. It's surprising how hard it is to get newspaper to burn when you've got it crumped up in a small tight space like that. So I get the newspaper going fairly decent, and then just throw the jeans in on top, denim in on top. Keep the air going to it, and once you start seeing, and you'll smell it, you'll smell the denim smoke. Here it comes. Once you get that going, close up your top, make sure you give it some air, and there you go. And like I said, this will just smolder, so it'll go a long time, and it's much cooler. There's almost no heat. So there you go. Just get your paper going, get that denim down in there. Sorry, my phone died there at the first part. It overheated and it wouldn't record anymore. But blue jeans, denim, men's section at the thrift store. Buy the largest pair you can. I always cut it out around the seams and just use the part that's flat with no seams. But start using it, and I think you'll really like it. So just wanted to throw that out there and let everybody know about it. So thanks for watching. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be glad to get back to you. Thanks for watching again, guys. God bless.